What the fuck is that sound? Oh! That loud my stomach! I will get some food! Let's see what should I get! Jesus fucking Christ! They are very damn expensive! What the fuck is this? Why is it so expensive? What the fuck? I'll be right back! I will bring my food from my house! Okay, I'm back! Can you open the door, please? Thanks, faggot! Hey, what the fuck is your problem?
No, that's wrong. No, more sneaking food.
Oops! Oh, God! No, please! No,